Someone in the comments of my last video said they wanted to see me. Hey friends, Chili Man's here! Wait, this place doesn't feel right. There's some killer vibes in the air.
Bro, are we about to get chopped up? Hurry up and think of something.
Don't panic. Watch my secret move, Spicy Strike.
What's going on? I don't have taste buds on my hands, so why are they burning?
Spiciness isn't a taste, it's a pain sensation.
The capsaicin in us will keep stimulating your nerves until you're in so much pain, you'll question your life choices.
Just tell me, what should I do? Or else nobody gets out of here happy.
Come at us! We're not scared! I'll only tell my friends in the comments. Hey everyone, capsaicin is alkaline. Milk, yogurt, or even a little vinegar can neutralize it.
Wow, it really doesn't hurt anymore.
Next time you chop chili peppers, remember to wear gloves or keep a glass of milk handy.
Want to see more secret tips on growing plants? Follow me and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.
Oh my god! Why am I growing so much hair all over? I look awful! Not smooth at all!
Hey, don't touch them like that. Keep your hands off if you don't want to become a spoiled melon.
I don't care! I want to be a smooth, gorgeous watermelon! I have to shave these hairs off!
Doing that will kill you.
You're just jealous of how good I look! What? Why am I getting uglier and uglier? And why is my skin rotting?
I told you early on, you shouldn't touch the hairs on a young watermelon. That's your invisible protective layer.
So the hairs are my armor for survival!
The tiny hairs on the surface of young fruits are an evolved protective structure. They repel water, block germs, keep bugs from biting, and help the watermelon grow healthy. Want to see more secret tips on growing plants? Follow me and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.
All recruits fall in! You're about to be shipped off to the battlefield! Now let me check whether your physical condition is up to standard!
Sir, yes, sir. We're all ripe and in top shape.
Looks aren't enough! I need to cut you open and check inside!
Sir, why are you cutting us open? Our flesh is exposed. We'll rot and spoil long before we get there.
Medic, bring me the...
What's that?
This is limestone! It'll absorb the sap from the cut, keep bacteria and bugs away, and get you safely to the battlefield!
Oh, I see. So we really will make it to the battlefield safely.
Jackfruit often gets bruised and leaks sap during shipping. Applying limestone helps quickly dry the cut, prevents bacterial growth, and keeps insects away. It's a natural long-distance preservation technique. Want to see more secret tips on growing plants? Follow me and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.
Hey, don't slack off! Are you trying to starve us? There's barely any nutrients here!
Exactly. We're both stuck on the same branch. It's impossible to get full.
Ugh, so noisy. I only have this tiny nutrient line. Do you think I'm some kind of magic pipe?
The nutrient supply is seriously lacking! Bro, one of us might starve to death today!
Well, what do you suggest we do?
Well, I think whoever grabs it first gets it!
That's just too much.
So what? You're smaller, you can't beat me to it!
You asked for it.
Keeping only one mango on a branch isn't cruel. It's smart. Focusing the nutrients is how we grow big, sweet, juicy mangoes. Want to see more secret tips on growing plants? Follow me and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.